Mishneh Writers Forum, and Mrs. Malini will now share her thoughts with us.
Everyone, and thank you so much for being here on this very auspicious and momentous occasion. You're watching history in the making. The objective of the Mishneh Writers Forum is we have in this room and in this colony so many wonderful people who have such lovely stories to share with the next generation and with others around. But those stories remain untold because of the daunting task of trying to get your stories written and published. When I was here in January and I met with Mrs. Nirmala Ramaswamy and we shared the horror stories we faced in trying to talk to publishers and get our stories published, we realized that there was an urgent need to come across with some sort of a platform where we didn't stand in judgment like commercial publishers stand in judgment about whether your story or your book is marketable, but that it gets told. Now, why is this need so important now? See, when we were living in joint families and there were 3 generations living under one roof, there was a natural transference of knowledge and wisdom and education that took place from one generation to another. But now we have all spread our wings. The older generation is left alone and the younger generation is groping in ignorance. From cooking a simple meal to raising children to handling tragedies, to handling customs, family functions. Starting with me, I mean as a person who's moved away from the joint family system, the younger generation has no clue. And you people have such wonderful stories, lessons, customs to share, which we don't want to lose, which will be completely lost for posterity. Mishneh Writers Forum is completely thematic, language neutral. In fact, we encourage, we have teachers here because, truth be said, current teachers don't have the caliber that you people have. You have so many lovely methods of teaching, your textbooks, the way you teach, all that needs to be crystallized, brought down and kept for posterity and sent across forever for generations to come, because a book once written is a book written for eternity. In Mishneh Writers Forum, we have taken a decision that we will publish every publication in all formats, which means you will get a print version, you will get an electronic version, because the generation that's coming downloads books on their Kindle, so we have a digital version. We also have the audio version, and all the books will also be brought out in Braille and in Daisy books for the print challenge. We are now in this country reaching an era where you don't have to be blind to be print challenged. People, because of medical reasons, are not able to read print, particularly if it's in a small form. People who are old, who have issues with reading print. So we found that a lot of survey that we did, that there is a huge demand in an aging population and in also a medically challenged population for books in other formats other than print. The audio format we have found is very well received because 90% of our working life is spent in traffic jams. And if we have to come home and find time to read a book, it's almost going to become impossible in the years to come. So the audio format is there. So my appeal to everybody here in this colony and everyone out there is, you have a story to tell, you have a message to give. Mishneh Writers Forum is a forum for authors to self-publish. You write, we take care of all the other trials and tribulations and the heartburn of trying to get your book out into the open. So this is a momentous occasion and I'm looking forward to all of you being part of the Writers Forum. Thank you.
Let's hope we have more writers to join and probably to be able to publish our books.